Hi and welcome to another review on mbrTech YouTube channel. As you can see, we have earbuds from Sudio again. This time we have a white model of TOLV on the test, and this one should be a better version of Niva that I have already reviewed. Let's see if this is true. Let's start with the unboxing and see what they have prepared for us. We can already see the charging case right from the opening. We should find our earbuds inside, but we will back to it later. There is also a small box with accessories where you will find all the extras you could ever need. Inside it we have a user manual and quick instructions, 3 extra pair of changeable tips, and USB cable for charging these earbuds. Let's get back to the charging case to open it and see our earbuds so I can give you my opinion about them. When we talk about the design of TOLV, I can say only good things about it. Quality is on the point, starting from the charging case, which is looking really elegant and nice. It feels so premium in the hands. On the side we have this leather pendant. On the back there's USB port and 2 LED indicators, and on the top we have this strong magnetic cover to secure our earbuds. Inside you will see the gold magnetic charging connectors for our earbuds. All these and the dimensions of the charging case makes TOLV truly portable and usable. Let's take TOLV. The earbuds are also the real proof of the quality and great design of TOLV. Everything I said for the design of case, it applies for earbuds. I just can't find anything wrong about the design. On the top of earbuds we have LED indicator and button in the gold rose color, which we will use for control over our device to stop or play music or change songs and even manage calls. As I have already mentioned, tips are changeable and you can choose between 4 different sizes, including the tips already installed on earbuds. It is a really easy process to do it, but it will make a huge difference when you choose the right one for yourself. Also, I need to mention 2 gold magnets on the bottom, which are used for charging. TOLV will fit your ears with right tips perfectly, and you will feel really comfortable while using them. Let me know what you think about the design of TOLV. Before you use TOLV, I recommend you to charge it to avoid any problem with them. Charging is simple. You can't connect earbuds directly to the charger, but you just need to set them in your charging case and connect the USB cable to the case. You will see a LED indicator for charging. The playtime of earbuds should be around 7 hours, and the fully charged charging case should give you extra full charges, which makes the battery life of TOLV amazing if we consider 35 hours of playtime in total. To connect TOLV, you just need to remove them from the case, which will activate them so you can find them in your Bluetooth list. You can connect just one earbud or both of them, it is your choice. To connect just one, remove just one. Really simple. Connectivity is great and stable, especially because of the 5.0 Bluetooth version that comes in TOLV. According to Sudio, they have used graphene driver in this model, which makes these earbuds sound outstanding. I'm not a sound expert, but what I hear is a really amazing experience and I'm impressed. The control of volume is all done from your device. These are not the loudest one on the market for sure, but it is enough, especially if you don't want to damage your ears. When we talk about bass, it feels good. The voice is really crisp, noise isolation is also on the top level. The overall quality is outstanding, I can't complain. There is also a microphone installed in TOLV, so you can manage calls without interrupting your connection and avoid using your smartphone. I just want you to try them and really enjoy just like me. Let's complete this review with my overall conclusion. I will just say one word for all the aspects of these earbuds. Perfect. Just try them and you will know what I'm talking about. If you want to buy them with a discount, use the code on the screen or copy it from the description to get a 15% discount on their website and gift while ordering. Also, Sudio gives you 1 year warranty if you buy them. Thanks for watching. I hope I will get more products like this. Don't forget to support me with like and subscribe.